This is how to unhide an account on the FNB app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. Start by opening the FNB app and signing into your account. When you land on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap My Profile. It is the second icon from the right. Once the My Profile page opens, tap Settings. It is the third option listed on the screen. When the settings page loads, scroll down until you reach the bottom row of options. On the far right, you will see Visible Accounts. Tap on it. You will now be on the Visible Accounts page. At the bottom of this screen, tap View Hidden Account. This will show all the accounts that are currently hidden. When the Hidden Accounts page appears, look for the account you want to make visible again. Tap the box next to it to turn visibility back on. After selecting your account, tap Update at the bottom of the screen. Next, the app will ask you to complete a facial verification. Hold your phone steady, keep your face clearly in the frame, and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once your scan is done, you will receive a one-time password from FNB. Enter the OTP to continue. You will then see a confirmation page explaining how account visibility affects secondary users. Tick the I accept box at the bottom and tap Confirm. After that, a thank you screen will appear confirming that your list of visible accounts has been updated successfully. Tap Finish to return to your accounts. And that is it. That is how you unhide an account on the FNB app. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.